Sims. I play for the Flaming Blizzards, and my favorite baseball team is the Chicago Cubs.
Hi, my name is Rykowski, and I play for the Flaming Blizzards, and my favorite color is yellow.
Hi, I'm Grady yuhas. I'm the captain of the Flaming Blizzards, and I like the Atlanta Braves.
Hi, my name is Jack Sims. I'm a team captain of the Goats. My favorite team is the Chicago Cubs.
Hi, my name is Rykowski. I play for the Goats. My favorite video game is MLB The Show.
My name is Cash Cox. I play for the Koalas, and my favorite movie is Scream 2.
We have an official start time of 1:48. The first ever AWL, the Flaming Blizzards versus the Goats. Wills Park, Alpharetta, Georgia. Let's go. Up to bat first for the Flaming Blizzards, Dylan. Jack walks Dylan. Charlie Sims, brother versus brother.
Go, get there! Safe, go!
And Charlie safe at first. Dylan is safe at third.
Thank you. Hi, Charlie. All right, no one else.
Grady Papa yuhas is stepping up to bat for the Blizzards.
Hold out. I don't know. I was going to.
Dylan's safe at home.
Go,
1-0 Flaming Blizzards. Dylan Rykowski up to bat. Blizzards have runners at first and third. Jake subbing in as a runner while Charlie steps up to bat. So we don't take a base when we're hit by a pitch. Dylan scores, Grady scores, 5-0 Flaming Blizzards with 1 out. And the inning's over with Jack Sims catching the pop fly from Pawpaw. At this point, we'll take a station break. We'd like to acknowledge the super fans who are in the stand. Pops and Gaga Blevins. Also in the dugout, our stats man, Noah. Score is 5-0, bottom of the first. Great hit to the outfield by Rykowski. He makes it sliding into second base.
Okay, then we'll do it. All right. Say thank you.
And Grady,
All right.
All right, y'all take care.
Okay. Let me know the next time.
Let's go, baby!
Okay.
Top of the second.
You're there, you're there, you're
Blizzards 5, Goats 0. Dylan makes it to first base. Alex pitching. Charlie Sims up to bat.
Dylan, stay in a pop fly. I'm grabbing you. Gotta swing at that. Okay, let's get swing.
Strike one.
Pawpaw's up to bat. Ooh, got a strike.
It's dying down right now. Just a little bit of wind's gonna push that ball.
To the outfield, Pawpaw.
Walk. Bases are
And
loaded.
we got a walk and bases are loaded. Thank you, Jake. Charlie Sims up to bat. And, ooh, hits it to right field, pops it off of Jake's leg. Grady Yuhas Pawpaw walks out.
Strike one. And I walk.
Grady walks Cash. Jack Sims is up to bat for the Goats. Jack hits it to the outfield. Charlie gets it. Grady drops it. And Alex scores. 5-1 Blizzards. End of the second inning. 5-1 Blizzards. All right, top of the third, which will be the final inning of today's game. Cash is pitching. Grady is up to bat. Grady hits it out to the outfield, dropped by Alex.
I just don't want to edit a video that's not a video. That was never recorded.
Cash walks Charlie. Noah from the bench doing stats was telling him to swing at anything. And the inning ends with a strikeout.
Hey, Charlie, you're good. You're swinging the bat. I'm on that.
6-1. You got it.
1-0.
Alyssa boys talking smack.
Walk.
Grady walks Jack Sims. Alex Rykowski up to bat. Alex out to almost center field.
Hold that into the single.
Time.
Runners at the corner.
Cash steps up
Give him some warm-up.
to bat. We've got Dylan warming up. A little pitching change here.
One out.
Yeah, we're fine with 1 run scoring.
Strike out. Ball. Go, Pete. Stay.
Let's go! Time.
Fair. That's fair. Fair.
On your horse, on your horse! Dylan, hold it. Dylan, grab it and hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold that, hold it.
Yep.
Winning run at the plate.
Dylan walks Cash. We are still 6-4. Blizzards leading. 1 out. Jack Sims steps up to the plate.
Dylan, you're still pitching. Just get him right over the plate.
One out.
Shift that way. Just catch the ball line. That's all we need. Hey, go!
Yeah, go, Cash. Go home. Go home. Go home.
Lots of action here.
Cash, go home. Yeah, it's our game. Let's go. And the game is tied. 1-1 and win it.
Game is now tied 6-6.
What? Hey, yeah, you're good. Next time, just throw it to me. Hey, Jack can't score. That's a winning run. Hey, hold it. Hold it. Oh, throw it.
Let's go.
And the Goats are victorious 7-6. The summary from this inexperienced announcer is that was some good old-fashioned fun. We'll be back for another installment of AWL sometime soon. Good game played by all. Well done.